Ready to totally transform how you learn? Let's dive into the science-backed methods that actually work.
It all starts with this one big idea. See, it's probably not a memory problem, it's a focus problem.
You've been there, right? You study for hours, and then poof, it's like you remember nothing.
But what if you could learn in just 1 hour what takes other people 5? That's what we're breaking down.
So why is learning sometimes so slow? Well, your brain has a 3-step process: focus, encoding, and recall.
Here's the catch, though. Most of our common study habits are super passive, and honestly, just don't work.
And this passive learning, it's the real enemy. It just gives you the illusion of knowing something.
So the fix is to switch from passive stuff, like highlighting, to active learning, like forced recall.
Okay, method number 1 is active recall. And trust me, this is an absolute game changer.
It's really simple. You read something, you close the book, and then you try to explain it out loud.
Here's the real test. Can you explain it simply? If you can't, you don't really know it yet.
That struggle to remember, that's what actually builds strong memory connections in your brain. It's crucial.
All right, next up is method number 2, spaced repetition. This one is all about perfect timing.
Instead of cramming, you just review stuff at specific times, like on day 3, day 7, and so on.
Doing this basically tells your brain, hey, this is important, don't you dare forget it.
At the end of the day, it's simple. Consistency is always going to beat cramming.
And our third huge method is deep work. This is all about getting in the zone. And these are the non-negotiables. Phone gone, no notifications, no multitasking. You have to be strict.
Get this, just 1 hour of true, deep work is worth more than 4 hours of distracted studying.
But look, none of this works without a solid foundation. We're talking sleep, exercise, and good food.
I mean, it's pretty simple, right? A tired, badly fueled brain just can't learn quickly. Period.
So you gotta stop trying to study longer. The whole point is to start studying smarter.
Seriously, just try these methods for 30 days. You will absolutely shock yourself with the results.
This is way more than just studying. It's about unlocking what you're capable of. So, what will you master first?